Welcome back to my channel. When it comes to managing diabetes, diet plays a crucial role in maintaining stable blood sugar levels. Salads can be a perfect addition to a diabetic-friendly diet, especially when they're as nutrient-packed and delicious as this chickpea salad. Chickpeas, also known as garbanzo beans, are a fantastic source of fiber and protein, both of which are important for anyone, but especially for those managing diabetes. Fiber helps slow down the absorption of sugars, helping to prevent spikes in blood glucose levels, while protein is essential for tissue repair and muscle maintenance. Here's a step-by-step guide to making this tasty and healthy chickpea salad. Ingredients: chickpeas, 1 can, 15 ounces of chickpeas, rinsed and drained. Cucumbers, 1 large cucumber diced. Tomatoes, 1 cup cherry tomatoes halved. Red onion, 1/4 cup finely chopped. Parsley, 1/4 cup chopped fresh parsley. Mint, 1/4 cup chopped fresh mint, optional but adds a fresh flavor. Feta cheese, 1/2 cup crumbled, omit for a vegan version. Olive oil, 3 tablespoons extra virgin olive oil. Lemon juice, juice of 1 lemon. Garlic, 1 clove garlic minced. Salt and pepper, to taste. Instructions: 1. Prepare the ingredients. Begin by rinsing and draining the chickpeas. Dice the cucumber, halve the cherry tomatoes, finely chop the red onion and chop the parsley and mint. 2. Mix the salad. In a large bowl, combine the chickpeas, cucumber, tomatoes, red onion, parsley and mint. Toss these ingredients until they are well mixed. Make the dressing. In a small bowl, whisk together the olive oil, lemon juice, minced garlic, salt and pepper. Adjust the seasoning to taste. 4. Combine and serve. Pour the dressing over the salad and toss again to ensure everything is evenly coated. If using, sprinkle the crumbled feta cheese over the top. Let the salad sit for about 10 minutes before serving to allow the flavors to meld. 5. Chill and refresh. This salad can be served immediately or chilled for a few hours to enhance the flavors. It makes a great side dish or a main course on a warm day. Why this salad is great for diabetics. Low glycemic index. Chickpeas have a low glycemic index, meaning they have a slower, smaller impact on blood glucose levels. Rich in fiber. With high fiber content, this salad aids in blood sugar regulation and provides a sense of fullness, which helps in weight management, a common concern for diabetics. Healthy fats. Olive oil contains monounsaturated fats, beneficial for heart health, which can be a concern for people with diabetes. This chickpea salad is not just a boon for those looking to manage their diabetes, but is also a refreshing, tasty option for anyone interested in a healthy diet. Enjoy this delightful dish on its own, or as part of a balanced meal. If you enjoyed watching this video, then don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe. Thanks for watching.